Okay, so this is how you're going to do a solfege assignment. You're going to go onto Sight Reading Factory, and once you go through the process and have the exercise set up, like I'm going to show you, then you're going to be able to go to Recent here, and your recent configurations are going to come up here. So you can see the most recent one I did was alto, level 2, key of C major, 4/4 timing, A measures long, and you click practice, and that would go right into it. But what you're going to do for the first time, if you don't have that set up, is you're going to click on Sight Reading here on the right. You might not have anything in favorites here. If you don't have your voice part there, you're going to have to go to Voice Family. You might have to scroll down. And then for our purposes, I'm just going to click alto. If you're a baritone, you can click baritone or bass. And we're going to go with alto. For the first one, you're going to do level 2. The time signature you're going to choose is 4/4. You can choose different key signatures, like preferably between C and F. So C major, E flat major, D flat major, all those would work. For our purposes, I'll go with C major to start. And then I'll click Start Free Play. Notice I have the solfege under the notes here. If you do not have solfege, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the Settings tab here. And make sure this Use Annotations is checked. And then under here, you're going to want to find Movable Do and La-based minor. So it's this one right here, and click on that. And they'll ask you to load a new exercise for changes to take effect. So press that. And then the new exercise they have should have the solfege under it. Notice I have measure numbers above the measures. That's important that you have them there, so when I give you feedback, you'll know what I'm talking about. But if you don't have the measure numbers there, then you'll want to go to here and make sure that is checked. Alrighty. Another thing you'll want to do before you start recording yourself or practicing it is you'll click on these two arrows here, and you'll want to make sure that synth audio is checked. Okay, that should be on. You also want the metronome to be on, so make sure that's on. And the cursor I guess that could be on too. But synth audio and metronome are the most important things. What you're going to do next then is you have your exercise. You're going to click play. And then as it goes, then make sure you're padding the beat somewhere. That's really important. That's going to be really helpful later on as once you don't have the metronome playing, you're going to want to continue padding that beat. So this is what you should hear. And then so on. And then you can play that multiple times, and then you can get your starting pitch by pressing this tuning fork here. If it's too fast for you or too slow, you can change the tempo by either going down and changing 4. So if you do that, then it's going to be slower. So learn it at a comfortable tempo. You don't want to do it too super slow. Usually it's actually easier if you have it a little faster. So you might want to start off slow, but then you can up the tempo a little bit and then learn it faster that way. So once you learned it, you sang through it several times, feel pretty confident that you have it down. What you're going to want to do is type in onlinevoicerecorder.com, and then you're going to click the record button. You'll allow it to use your microphone, and then it's going to start recording. So once you have that on, you're going to go back to here. You're going to get your pitch. Do. You can do a little exercise if you want. The do, mi, sol, la, sol, fa, re, ti, do, sol, mi, do. And then have the metronome on. 3. Do, do, re, sh, mi, re, mi, sol, la. And then you'll do the full exercise to the end. When you're recording it, do not have the synth playing, so you don't press play here. You should only have the metronome playing here. Remember to keep padding the beat even as you do that. So then once you record this to the end, you're going to go back to Online Voice Recorder, and you'll see it was recording the whole time. You're going to click stop. And then you're going to have to find where you started the exercise. I think I started the exercise right here. Wow, that was loud. Then you're going to crop it up to that. And then you're going to crop the ending, and then you make sure you got the ending correct here. And do that. Oh, that's me. Ouch, sorry. That was really loud on my speakers. I'm not sure how it's going to come across yours. I was still talking at that point. I'm guessing, I might have actually even only did up to here. You're going to click save. It's processing. You'll be able to download that, and you're going to have to send it to me. This exercise that you're working on, you're going to have to type in a snipping tool. Once you get that, and if you have a Mac computer, I'm sure you have something like this too. But you'll click New, and then you'll just drag across. It doesn't really matter, but something like this. I need to see the exercise. So once you have that, you can also, you save as, capture, I don't know, put your name here. And you can have, just have some details, level 2, and the date maybe. So like 6/20/2022. That way I can easily find it. You'll save that. The file name is not valid, I guess. Oh, you know what? You can't have the dashes. You'll just have to have periods, I think. There you go. So you have that, and then you have your online voice recorder saved as well. You click save here, and then you have these two files. That is one exercise, so you'll have to send it to me. I'll make an extra video, like another video for the rhythm exercise, but that's much simpler. Hopefully that was clear, and hopefully that gives you enough things so you can do it confidently yourself.